So you can now join us online for Kids Stream. This is our online ministry for children. So you can catch us Fridays at 6:30 or Sundays at 10 a.m. live for some fun, some games, some custard pies and lots of competitions.
Becomes your house, your place. Sing it out.
As we plan to move forward in this season of lockdown, we're hoping that once again we can open our church building. But before we do that, we need to make sure that we've got everything in place and the provision for that vision. So we're looking to raise £5,000 so that we can still live stream with the right equipment at church for people who maybe can't come to church or don't feel comfortable coming at the moment. So we are looking for you guys to support us with this and to get involved and help us raise this target of £5,000. So we're going to be doing an offering for this, a one-off special, on Sunday the 14th of June. So we just want to give you a bit of notice so that you can prayerfully consider how you can support us during the next season as we move forward as a church.
Your place, oh God. Do you believe it?
So don't forget, guys, you can join with us every evening at 7:30 to join in for our evening devotionals, which is a place for you to get prayer, encouragement and inspiration. So join with us every night on Facebook, live at 7:30 each evening, and on weekends, on Saturday nights, you can join us for a bit of a worship session online too. So be sure to check that out on Facebook.
Oh, you inhabit the praises of your people.
So our Connect groups are still meeting via Zoom. So if you'd like to be a part of one of these groups, then just drop us a message, let us know, and we'll get you connected online. And if you need some technical support and you're not so tech savvy, we've got it covered. So all you'll need is a mobile, a laptop, or an iPad, and we'll get you set up on there.
That's it. Oh, your house, God. Let it become your.
You can join me tomorrow at 8 p.m. on Facebook Live on our Facebook page for our very own game show called Pick and Mix. So you can get your sweets ready and join us there for some fun and games. And we'll also be doing some more episodes on the weekend as a kind of replacement for the Strength Will Rise conference that would have been happening. So join us there and let's have some fun. If you are part of 180 Youth, then be sure to connect with our leaders and stay in touch with us online. We've got some cool content going out over the next few weeks, so be sure to stay in touch with us. So that's all for Excel News. Let's all stay connected in this season, and if you want any more information and need to stay up to date, just make sure you've got us on social media and you can check out our website. Have a great week, guys.